This fraud, folks, it doesn't end there. The alleged mastermind behind the $250 million Somali-linked fraud scheme, Amy Bach, she was sentenced to more than 41 years in prison. Bach was convicted on multiple counts involving conspiracy, wire fraud, bribery for a role in the Feeding Our Future scam. Vice President Vance says the Trump administration is not going to tolerate fraud anymore.
To get rich off taxpayers, even at the cost of others' lives, just as that fraudster had for many months before. This kind of behavior is sickening. It's disgusting. It's an affront to all of us as Americans. And today we're saying clearly, no more. Our message is simple. If you're committing fraud, our task force will find you. We'll come after you, and we will not rest until justice is served.
Well, Chief Washington Correspondent James Rosen is hot on the trail with this one. The latest also, the Trump administration's efforts to crack down on fraud. Good morning, James.
Edie and Joe, good morning to you. Federal prosecutors say the 15 people targeted in this fresh round of indictments stole over $90 million using 7 state-managed Medicaid programs that were supposed to be providing care for some of the most vulnerable communities in the North Star State. Among those charged was 50-year-old Fatima Mahmood, owner of Minnesota's Future Leaders Early Learning Center, now facing felony counts, including conspiracy to defraud the United States and wire fraud. Prosecutors allege Mahmood stole nearly $5 million by inflating receipts for meals she claimed to be providing to children, but instead using the money to buy real estate. Others charged were alleged to have grifted funds intended to help people with disabilities live independently.
These disabled individuals were used like lottery tickets by these defendants to generate millions of dollars, which these defendants used to expand their real estate holdings, purchase luxury vehicles, and splurge on expensive jewelry. We will not, full stop, tolerate this greed and deceit.
Independent journalist Nick Shirley, whose amateur videos last year helped expose the rampant fraud in the Minnesota system, now tallied at some $9 billion, visited the Future Leaders Early Learning Center and found there no kids and only a proprietor providing monosyllabic responses to his questions in uneven English. Still another vulnerable category of fraud victims alleged in these unsealed indictments was people with autism, said to have been defrauded to the tune of $46.6 million.
Today's arrests represent the largest autism fraud bust in American history. Organized theft that exploited the most vulnerable children in America, deceived families, stole taxpayer dollars meant to help children with autism access legitimate care and support.
Federal prosecutors tell Newsmax they expect still more indictments to emerge out of Minnesota and in other fraud cases across the country. Joe and Edie.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.